Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Beelink SER9 AI mini PC. I know a lot of you are looking to upgrade your home entertainment or home office setup with a powerful yet compact device, so let's see if this little beast delivers. If you're interested in learning more about the product, the link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Okay, let's dive in. The Beelink SER9 AI mini PC is powered by an AMD Ryzen AI 9 CPU with 12 cores and 24 threads, reaching up to 5.1 GHz. To put that into perspective, most laptops and gaming PCs can only dream of that kind of processing power in such a small package. I mean, we're talking about a device that's roughly the size of a smartphone, but packs the punch of a full-fledged gaming rig. That's just incredible. As someone who loves streaming 4K content, I can tell you this thing is a beast. Not only does it have that crazy powerful CPU, but it also comes with 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 1 TB PCIE4.0 SSD. We're talking seamless performance, silky smooth streaming, and incredibly fast loading times. I've been using this thing to stream my favorite shows and movies, and I can honestly say that it's been a game changer. The picture quality is stunning, and the sound is crisp and clear. But what really sets the Beelink SER9 AI mini PC apart is its ability to support 4K 3-screen display. Yeah, you heard that right, 3 screens. Can you imagine having a triple-header gaming session or a 3-screen YouTube video playback on a plane? That's the kind of flexibility and convenience this thing offers. I've been using it to watch movies with my family, and we can all sit around the TV and watch our favorite shows on 3 separate screens. It's been a real bonding experience, and we've loved every minute of it. And let's not forget about the audio. This thing comes with dual speakers, which I was skeptical about at first, but trust me, they are surprisingly good. I've been using this thing to watch movies and TV shows, and the sound quality is surprisingly nice. You can easily connect this to a larger sound system if you want, but for casual movie nights, these dual speakers are more than enough. I've been impressed by the clarity and depth of the sound, and I think you will be too. The Beelink SER9 AI mini PC also comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, which means you'll be able to connect to the internet and stream your favorite shows and movies in high definition with lightning-fast speeds. I've been using it to stream Netflix and Hulu, and the picture quality has been stunning. I've also been using it to play online games, and the latency has been minimal. It's been a real pleasure to use, and I think you'll love it just as much as I do. And let's not forget about the power supply. This thing has a built-in power supply, so you won't have to worry about finding a separate power source for it. That's just one less thing to worry about, and it makes it easier to take this thing on the go. I've been using it to work from coffee shops and other remote locations, and it's been a real lifesaver. I can just grab it and go, without having to worry about finding a power outlet. As you can probably tell, I'm really impressed with this thing. It's powerful, it's convenient, and it's just plain fun to use. I can see myself using this thing for years to come, whether I'm streaming movies, playing games, or just browsing the web. It's been a real game changer for me, and I think it could be for you too. Now, one thing to keep in mind, with this kind of performance comes a level of heat, so you'll need to make sure you're using a well-ventilated space when you have this thing turned on. I've been using it in a well-ventilated room, and I haven't had any issues with overheating. But if you're planning on using it in a small, enclosed space, you might want to consider getting a cooling fan or something to help keep it cool. Overall, I'd say this thing is more than worth the price if you're looking for a compact yet powerful device to upgrade your home entertainment setup. In my book, it has some fantastic upsides. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, the performance is phenomenal, and it's just a joy to use on a day-to-day basis. I've been using it to stream movies and TV shows, play games, and even do some work, and it's handled everything I've thrown at it with ease. Of course, no device is perfect, so let me just touch on a couple of downsides. For one, it might be a bit tricky to set up for beginners, especially if you've never worked with a mini PC before. I've had to do a bit of troubleshooting to get it up and running, but it's been worth it in the end. The second thing is, it doesn't have the most comprehensive cooling system in the world, so you'll want to make sure you're using a well-ventilated space, like I said earlier. But overall, I think the pros far outweigh the cons. This thing is a beast of a device, and it's been a real pleasure to use. I think you'll love it just as much as I do, and I'm excited to see what you'll do with it. So if you're in the market for a new device to upgrade your home entertainment setup, I'd definitely recommend giving the Beelink SER9 AI mini PC a look. Alright, so that's my review of the Beelink SER9 AI mini PC. If this sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.